Hey guys, so welcome back to the Entertainment Bar Show right here on Odate GHTV. Yeah, so if today is your first time on our channel, you're welcome to join our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, so today's bars we have Lilwin's ex-wife finally speaks. Alleges Sandra Ababio caused their divorce with her naked photos and more. Yeah, so actor, musician Kojo Nkansa Lilwin's ex-wife Patricia Free has finally spoken about all the rumors making rounds on social media about her after the marriage of the former. Yeah, so in an interview with Ohimba TV, Patricia alleged that the viral rumor that Kojo Nkansa Lilwin and actress Sandra Ababio were indeed true. According to her, Sandra Ababio was the major cause of their divorce because she apparently saw naked photos of her on the phone of her former husband. Patricia added that her decision to question Lilwin got him angry and eventually he started to behave in a manner that was quite shocking. I swear to God that I saw Sandra's naked picture on Kojo's phone. She began during a recent interview. At the time, Kojo didn't want me to use his phone. Sandra should curse me if I'm lying. She should come out and curse me if she wasn't sleeping with Lilwin when I was married to him, she added. Patricia also debunked the viral rumors that she had run mad after Lilwin married his new wife, Mame Sewa. She surprisingly made the point that she was happy that Lilwin has remarried, especially when the woman in question is Sandra Ababio. Okay guys, drop your thoughts and opinion about this, divorce and marriage brouhaha in the comment section below.